If you want your website to get more visitors from Google or other search engines, you need SEO, search engine optimization. But SEO is not easy when done manually. That's why many people use SEO tools to help them find keywords, check competitors, track rankings, and improve their content. Today, we will compare 4 popular SEO tools you might hear about: Semrush, Ahrefs, Moz, and Ubersuggest. I will explain the difference in the simplest way so beginner can easily understand which tool might be best for their needs. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online with the right tools. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use links in the description whenever I mention helpful tools, because by using the description link, any special offer or bonuses that will be applied automatically. So let's come to the main part of the video. Let's start with the first tool in our comparison, Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is often the easiest place to begin if you are new to SEO. It was created by Neil Patel, and its goal is to give the beginners simple answers. You can type a keyword and Ubersuggest will show you how many people search for it, how hard it is to rank, and some related keyword to get ideas. It also shows basic traffic data and websites and few competitors' insights. Because Ubersuggest is simpler, it is usually more affordable and beginner friendly. If you only want quick ideas for blog topics, simple keyword research, and basic SEO metric without a complicated dashboard, Ubersuggest does it well. But when you compare it with others on our list, you will notice that some features are more limited. For example, it doesn't have very deep competitor analysis or advanced site auditing like the bigger platforms. Next in our list is Moz, another classic SEO tool that many people have used for years. Moz offers tools like Moz Pro, Moz Keyword Explorer, and Moz Local for local SEO. The strength of Moz is that it makes SEO easier to understand. Their domain authority score is famous. It tells you how strong a website is compared to others. Moz also has good educational content, which is helpful for beginners who are learning the SEO from scratch. However, compared to bigger tools, Moz's data updates are sometimes slower and its database may not be as large. This means it may show few keywords or fewer backlinks than other tools. But if you are learning SEO or focusing on local search and on-page optimization, Moz still gives solid insights in an easy way. Now let's talk about the Ahrefs, which many professionals love because of its large data and strong backlink analysis. Ahrefs has one of the biggest databases of backlinks and search data in the industry. If you want to know who links to your competitors or which pages bring the most links, Ahrefs shows the clarity. For content creator, Ahrefs also provide the detailed keyword research, topic explorer tools, and content gap feature that shows what competitors rank for but you don't. Ahrefs is strong for competitor research and backlink intelligence. But one thing to know is that it is usually more expensive than tools like Ubersuggest or Moz. If you are a beginner on a tight budget, this may feel heavy at first, but if you want deep insight and data that many SEO professionals trust, Ahrefs is one of the top choices. Finally, we come to the Semrush, which many marketers consider a complete all-in-one SEO and digital marketing platform. Semrush offers everything from keyword research, competitor analysis to site audit, content planning tools, and social media scheduling. Its strong point is the depth and the variety of features. With Semrush, you can track your rankings, find global keywords, see the competitors' traffic trends, spy on backlinks, and check your site for technical SEO issues, all in one place. Semrush also offers tools for advertising research, social media analytics, and brand monitoring, which makes it stand out from the rest. Many big business and agencies use Semrush because it gives a complete view of websites' online performance, not just SEO. On the downside, Semrush can be more expensive than Ubersuggest and Moz, and some beginners may feel the dashboard is a bit complex at first. So how do you choose between them? If you are just starting out and want a simple, affordable tool, then Ubersuggest is a clear option for you. And if you want clear scores and local SEO help with easy learning resources, then Moz is helpful. If your focus is deep backlink and competitor research, then Ahrefs is very strong point. And if you want an all-in-one platform that covers SEO, content, and overall marketing tools, then Semrush is usually the most complete choice. In short, all four tools have their strength. Ubersuggest is simplicity, most for the easy learning. Ahrefs is for backlink and competitor power, and Semrush is the complete marketing feature. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the differences between Semrush, Ahrefs, Moz, and Ubersuggest. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more beginner-friendly tutorials and tool comparisons. And don't forget to use the link from description so any special offer or free trial are applied automatically. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.